Yeah, you took. Got the fender, got the bumper up there. Still got the both the top up. Just waiting on the hood. Somebody about to text me back for a hood. A couple miles away. I should have got the hood when I was at the yard. I took it through this. Getting the hood, the headlight assembly put on. I'm gonna take it to the exhaust shop, let them put that pipe back on. Then I'm gonna do on the paint job. Going all black. I'm gonna paint this when I paint my truck, since both of them gonna be all black. Oh, clear coat. So it's gonna be like an easy one. The only body work I see is this right here, bubbling up right there. Oh yeah, I got another fender well for it too. Got this little dent right here. Besides that, get a lot of mud on it. Yeah, I want to bore y'all with this. I'll catch y'all later.